This is what's known as a quadratic simultaneous equation. It looks very much like a straight line hitting some kind of an ellipse, and we had to find out the coordinates of where they meet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute what y is in terms of x into the first equation. So the first equation is 2x squared plus 3y squared, but I know what y is in terms of x. Y is the same thing as 2x plus 1. And so do you see now I've got one equation with one unknown, x. So I should be able to solve this. So I'm going to factor, that should be 4. 4x squared plus 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 1 equals 5. If I multiply through by 3, I get 2x squared plus 12x squared plus 12x plus 3. And if I collect the terms together, like terms, so we've got 14x squared, so we've got 12x, and we've got a minus 2 equals 0. I can divide through by 2, can't I? They're all even numbers, so 7x squared plus 6x minus 1 equals 0, because 0 divided by 2 is 0. Now that looks to me like it might factorise. If it does, that's going to save me a lot of time. I don't really want to be dealing with the quadratic formula if I can help it. So that will be what, 7x times by x is 7x squared. Yes, this is going to factorise, isn't it? 7x times by x is 7x squared. We've got 1 and 1, so if I have a plus 1, that gives me 7x. Take away 1x is 6. Yep, that works. So I factorised it. And of course, if each linear factor is equal to 0, that means I can solve this. So x equals minus 1, or x equals a seventh. That's one. So that's the x coordinates. Now, of course, to find the y coordinate, well, I've got a formula, a nice simple one that tells me if you want to get a y coordinate, double your x and add 1. So I'm going to double my answers and add 1. So double minus 1 is minus 2, add 1 is minus 1. That's my x1 and y1 coordinate. And my x2 and y2 coordinate, my other solution, is, well, double that, 2 sevenths plus 1, 7 sevenths is 9 sevenths. And that's the answer. Okay, they're the answers to that quadratic simultaneous equation. So, do pause and have a read, see what you think, and then I'm really interested to see if we've got the right answers. So, here we go. Yep, 7th and 9 sevenths, lovely, minus 1 and minus 1. Lovely.